So installing a graphics card in the Corsair 4000D case is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure you have the two panels removed here for where your graphics card is going to slot in. You've identified your slot that it's going in, so you just go ahead and pull this back. Make sure that is all set. Now all you need to do, go ahead and take your graphics card. Mine here, this is the 6750 that I have in my particular machine. And then all you have to do is just make sure that your PCI Express slot lines up correctly, and then make sure that this side here slots into the two little openings that we have here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just slowly lower everything into place. Make sure we got no other cables here. And then just make sure it's kind of seated for the time being. Then we just add a little bit of force, not much, and then we should hear a click. There we go. Just give it a little bit of tug here, make sure it's all secure. Okay, so that part's all done. You can kind of cheat a little bit and know that you've got it in the right slot if you can kind of match the holes here on both sides. And that's kind of like a dead giveaway that you've got it into the right slot. That hearing a little bit of a click. Now next thing you want to do is you want to take your screws here and secure your graphics card in place. For that, all you need is a nice little Phillips head screwdriver, preferably one with a magnetic tip. Why a magnetic tip? Because you can easily connect that down and look, just like that, holds it in place properly. Now just make sure all the holes are lined up here. Slowly, see, there we go. Let's go ahead and redo this a little bit. This is where it gets harder with a screwdriver without a magnetic tip. So there you go. That explained everything perfectly. See, even with the magnetic screwdriver, it's a little bit harder. Shit. Okay, I messed up. We're gonna cheat a little bit and we're gonna secure these by hand first. Hopefully you don't have fingers much bigger than mine. If not, you're completely screwed. Go look for another tutorial. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead, secure that one first. Okay, so that went much better. And then let's go ahead and do the other one. Get that in place. Okay, now we can go ahead and use our screwdriver just to tighten these in. Not too tight, but just to make sure it's snug and in place. Now that's all done, all you need to do is get your 8-pin connectors here. Let's go ahead and see where ours are in the case, right here. And then these go in one way, so you don't have to worry about screwing these up. You don't have to use a whole lot of force, and just simply line these up and then you could connect them in just like that. Okay, so that's one done. Let's go ahead and do the other one. And just like that, we got our graphics card in with a little blooper. So, not going to edit it out, just one take, that's it. That's how easy it is.